This is your Monex Metals Market Update with Mike Maroney.
Good afternoon. My name is Mike Maroney, and I am coming to you today from the Monex Precious Metals Studio. It's Monday, April 30th. Let's talk precious metals. Both silver and gold came down today and tested the lower end of the range. Gold trading as low as $13.10 and silver trading as low as $16.17. Both metals bounced back strong, gold trading back to $13.19 and silver trading back up to $16.35. There's been a lot of geopolitical instability over the weekend as missile strikes hit an Iranian base in Syria, and rumor is that the Israelis hit the Iranian base as 20 or so Iranians were killed as they were striking against stored missiles that potentially could hit Israel. Israel has made it perfectly clear to Iran that if they put military bases or missiles in Syria, that they would strike. And needless to say, last night there was a strike that was so large it actually caused an earthquake reading of 2.5 on the Richter scale. Very interesting, as Korea and North Korea have suddenly become much calmer, as it looks like North Korea is ready to dismantle its nuclear program. Obviously, we'll see what happens, but we know who's going to take credit for that one, and that's President Trump. And you can't blame him because he's been working very hard to try to put that situation to bed. Well, the bottom line right now is the Fed meets on Tuesday and Wednesday. When we started last week, the probability of a rate hike was basically zero. Somehow or another, the probability of a rate hike is actually shot up into the low 20% range, as some people believe that the Fed may actually act on Wednesday. What would that potentially do? Would that cause the metals to pull back, or would it cause the metals to rally based on the fact that the Fed would be raising rates to potentially stave off inflation? We've already seen the 10-year yield break above 3% and the 30-year yield break above 3.5% for a short period of time, as the yield curve has been very tight between the 2 and the 10 and the longer term and the shorter end of the curve. The bottom line right now is, as gold and silver test the lower end of the range as far as 2018 is concerned, and with the geopolitical instability that exists over in the Middle East, now may be one of the better times to look at putting precious metals in your portfolio. If you're interested in profit, if you're interested in potential protection, maybe metals can fit that bill for you. But the only way you'll find out is pick up the phone and give us a call here at Monex so we can explain the intricacies of trading precious metals. Thank you.